Hello, everyone. This is The Business of Business by Caleb Dole. The first idea that caught my eye in the article was this quote right here saying, "No business or other professions that advertise its services announce to the public that they're there for the purpose of enriching itself or those involved in it." This is very true, and this isn't something that we normally think about. Um, but it's very obvious. Like if you look at just different companies, like they never mention like how much money they're getting returned from you buying their product. They're just trying to talk you into buying their product. And if you even look at car dealerships, they try and get the most money out of you, and you can talk them down. But the lower you talk them down, the less that's going in their pocket. So they're not going to want to deviate on that at all. So I just mentioned that people put on a front to make you think that you need what they're selling, but you really don't. They're just pushing that on you because they're getting something in return. Usually money, but also there's other things involved, or it could be involved. This is a second one. Surely the best course, find a better who may, is to take up one's profession as an appointment from God through intelligent discipleship to Jesus Christ. Serving Him, and just doing something out of the kindness of your heart, which we saw in there, like physicians and um, people that have served in the military and defending our country. Those are all just amazing things that you could do in discipleship to Jesus Christ, because those are out of the kindness of your heart, not trying to. It's just about your moral character, which we'll talk about later. Find something where you can see yourself sharing your wealth to others and serving them through the discipleship to Jesus. Do something as a profession that serves others. The Bible verse that I saw found here was, "Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit, rather in humility value others above yourself, not looking to your own interest, but each of you to the interest of the others." I thought that was pretty good. And then the moral character, helping others and looking outside rather than focusing on yourself at all times. We as humans naturally make everything about us and take part in activities that serve us. We want to build ourselves before we help others, but that's not being a disciple to Jesus Christ. So we can go out of our way to help right to the moral character and do things out of the kindness of our heart. And I see this and another thing that I want to bring up is I work at Discount Tire, and people come in with bald tires, which is very unsafe. So we let them know that they need new tires, but they just think that we're just trying to get their money. And but really, at that point, we're doing it out of the service in our heart, kindness of our heart, and just trying to help them, and keep them safe on the road so that they don't have a blowout or an accident. But that goes back to this right here, which we don't mention what we're getting out of that. And if it comes down to it, we just give them the tire. And then here's my references. Thank y'all.